All right, let's see here. This is what I did so far. This is the the 3-prong switch for the Chrysler transmissions. All right, there's the John Cope's valve body. It seems to work all right. You know, there's your park, and of course you got. This ain't gonna work completely like it should, but it should at least give me a park start. So I'm pretty sure that I can modify this to where my neutral, my park reverse / neutral, because as a trans brake, will work. But I mean, for now, that's good. That's just a Sonex kit. That's all it is. Simple. You know, that unscrews, and I actually had two spacers with this, because you know this has to go in between these two, and you clock it for it to work. So that's what I got. That's what I got done tonight, and just another short video. I didn't end up using this, which I'm pretty sure I probably can modify this to work, but I don't want to. I won't open it. I'll save it for another transmission or whatever. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. This I just got to keep moving forward. So I'm gonna get the bolt in there. I got the new pan gasket, which is the Moroso. It's like 40 bucks. I decided, yeah, why not? You know, why not? I'll probably have the filter off a few times. I still gotta hook up my extra transmission filter and get their lines ran. I'd like to use the PPP bracket. I'm still kind of kicking it around, but I don't know. I don't like having 90 degrees in my hydraulics. Builds heat, slows the fluid down. So I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, there's a quick one. And pretty soon it'll be fired up. I got the plug wires on. And yeah, we'll see what 250 horsepower sounds like, huh? Till next time.